had it, give them credit. They made big shots. You know, CJ, Marshall hitting those huge shots. But I thought we played okay, we played better. We have to match their intensity. You saw the start of cards. Yung intensity nila iba. And Jumar also is alone, but CJ had 24. So, you know, this it's a 7-game series. We'll be ready game 3. We have to make some adjustments. Even if we had the lead in the end, there's certain many things we need to improve on pa. So, focus lang kami. 3 games in 5 days.
Coach, kamusta si CP? He made that big shot but he missed some free throws in there.
Yeah, we want the ball in his hands. I mean, he made that big 3 then. Ganda rin. But that's why they're San Miguel. That's why they win championships. You know that they'll be ready and they're not going to give up. So, with that being said, I still think we didn't play the way we should. So, we'll be better come Sunday.
Nakausap pa ba ni CP kasi umalis na ata siya agad?
Yeah, well, these type of games, you know, you have to move on. So, ano lang, quick, goodbye, focus na kami. We have to see the video also. At this point, you know, you wanna be clinical and not critical. Kumbaga, kailangan mapapanood namin yung video, tignan namin sa yung mga breakdowns. We had 17 turnovers first half. They outscored us 20-11. Turnover points, fast break points. Eh, kami dapat yung tumatakbo. Then, they did some new things with Junmar. They passed Hilo. They got him off the wall a lot. But with that being said, we didn't play that well. I mean, makikita namin yung sa video.
Cliff was very positive enough to said it's just one game. So what's your thoughts on how he and the others are approaching
I look at it, we're not gonna sweep San Miguel, you know. So every game you want to bring your A game, you wanna fight, you wanna have less breakdowns. I thought we played good enough that we could have won this game. We went up 2-0, but talagang may mga ganun, masakit talaga, right? So with that being said, like you said, Cliff's a warrior. We have a lot of vets in the group. Brandon's the only rookie being used there, so we'll respond on Sunday, and we will again watch the film and we'll be clinical rather than critical at this point. Ma-clean up namin yung mga mali.
Thank you, Coach.